Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video today we're checking out Best of WRC Rally Sweden 2024 crashes, action and raw sounds. This should be very interesting. I've seen rally racing driving before. It's been very interesting. Obviously the amount of skill with the corners they take, the turns they do, extremely impressive. I've never seen it in snow before. Normally I see it in kind of like dirt terrain, so this should be very interesting. So let's get right into the reaction video for today. Going into this as someone who don't really know about rally, but people told me to check it out, so that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Yeah, like look at that turn, and they're doing it in the snow, and look how fast they're going. I'm extremely impressed by the amount of skill these drivers have. Oh, and that giant jump. What? Oh, that dude crashed. Is he alright? Yeah, they're going so fast in the snow. This is extremely dangerous. Ooh, that's close, please. Ooh. Oh, he's still going. I thought he was totaled out. Oh, that is close. That was smooth. That was smooth. That dude had his driving skills. Like, look at this. Can't even see where he's going. Okay, I think they had to abandon that, yeah. Oh, so are they actually going to carry on? Like, they're shoveling off the snow off the car. Are they going to get back in and keep going? Or are they kind of out? Oh, that's... Yo, we got to go back and watch that again. Look how close this was. If I was these guys who kind of crashed and that guy in the middle of the road right there, I would be panicking for my life. I'd probably like... And yeah, they kind of, I don't know how to describe it, they just let him pass. I would have probably froze up and kind of died, because, yeah, I would not know what to do in that situation. Okay, is he going to be able to save this one? Oh, come on. And he did! I have to say the scenery looks beautiful, man, especially from the top down view. Oh, and I love seeing the big jumps. It's just so satisfying to watch. But man, driving in the dark, you literally can only just see snow in a little like pathway, the roads. I'm not sure how long they're driving for though, but I don't know if they drive from like the day into the night or how it kind of works, but these guys, extremely talented. Oh, his car seemed like it was struggling there. Oh. But I'm extremely impressed with like the car though. The fact they can actually perform at this speed in the snow like that. It's like a great commercial for the car. Oh. Okay, that was a close one. Yeah, look at the amount of corners this guy has to go around, how many turns he has to do. Oh, he's coming in quite fast. And he literally like got snow in the camera with his drift. Nice jump there. And the audience literally get covered in snow. I don't know if I'd want to be like an audience member during all this, because I would feel kind of scared. But these are obviously like some amazing drivers. But even then, I'd be a bit too scared. But look at the speed, and there's people around him. But obviously, he's not making any mistakes. But man, the control these dudes have. And that might be the biggest jump so far, right? Oh. Come on. And this point of view is very like interesting to see it from their perspective. It just looks like absolute chaos. Oh, I think his car's giving out. Yeah, literally, his bumper's fallen off. Oh, that might be the biggest jump yet. And his bumper was hanging off. But he still was going on. And yeah, this guy's bonnet's been up for like most of the race. And this guy is always very chaotic. I've seen him driving. He obviously has great control, but just seeing the movements gets me worried when I watch this guy. Man, and this view looks so cool with a helicopter. Oh, 40 meters. And I think this would be so much fun to do. Obviously, I'm not a driver like this. I've never ever attempted to drive in something like this, and I'd crash. But I mean, just giving it a little go, I think would be fun. Not a full race, but it definitely looks like a lot of fun. And it's so cool to watch. But yeah, if you've ever driven on snow, like even a little bit of snow, you know how hard it is. So my respect for these guys is so high. And the car's like struggling, but it keeps on going. Come on, yes. Oh, and those guys were so close, just sitting. Are you allowed to go there? It looked like they were alone, but man, that just seems so dangerous to me. Oh, I love it when they kind of do the jump and then the fire, the flames come out. And obviously, they deserve to celebrate, these dudes. And they got the classic champagne pouring. Okay, that's really cool to watch. I mean, I've seen rally before, but I've never seen it in the snow. So that was something very different. I don't really know how it works if they drive from the day until the night, but it's very cool to watch. I love the jumps. I love the turns. Some of it looked crazy to me. Like there was a bit where this car crashed and literally the driver kept on going. They kind of got past, but that bit seemed very close to me. But it's so entertaining to watch. I don't know if I'd want to be in the audience watching this, because some parts, man, like, I don't know. They're obviously very talented drivers, but I'd be very scared. So if you guys want more rally reactions, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And I may do a video about rally rules if you guys want that, to kind of find out how it all works.